What's up, Craig? What's up, Smokey?
Nothing.
What y'all smoking on? Nothing. What you want? Oh, I need to borrow your car right quick. What kind of shit is that? Most people want to borrow sugar. They eating ketchup. You want to borrow my car? Hell no. The hell on. Well, let me borrow a joint. You need to borrow a job with your broke ass. Always trying to smoke up somebody's shit. The hell on, Felicia. Remember that. Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give a fuck. Craig.
Bye, Felicia.
Goddamn pig.